Drawing inspiration from the surrounding landscape, Studio Schicketanz, led by Mary Ann Schicketanz, designed this stunning single-story home that literally blends into the hillside for a Silicon Valley-based family with 2 daughters and a live-in parent. The Paso residence is located on a sloped, oceanfront site in the Big Sur region, covering a total area of 116 acres 47 hectares. The home is situated near Garapata State Park, the Carmel Highlands community, and the iconic Highway 1. The house has an approximately V-shaped floor plan, with rectangular, horizontal volumes arranged around an internal courtyard that serves as the heart of family life. On the eastern side, backed by a curved retaining wall, are 2 volumes, one housing the garage, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a laundry room, and another that contains a billiard room. This portion is embedded in the slope, allowing the natural landscape to extend over the home's green roof. All systems and equipment, such as water tanks and the pool infrastructure, are also built underground. The western side, facing the ocean, contains a central volume for common areas and 2 wings for the bedrooms. At once precise and inviting, the house turns inward toward a sunny and sheltered central courtyard, which serves as protection from the cold, strong Pacific winds. Both sides of the house feature floor-to-ceiling windows facing east and west, allowing for cross-ventilation, morning natural light, and unobstructed ocean views. Schicketanz and her team appointed the home with the finest products and finishes, such as pieces from Coup d'Etat, Holly Hunt, Larson, Mui, Payet Boone Meal, Bricio, Bien and B Italia, Taiping, Philip Jeffries, Giorgetti, Pindler, Restoration Hardware, and Concrete Works. All beds, ottomans, bookcases, and media cabinets were custom designed. The house features a clear layout, naturally well-lit spaces, and earthy-looking finishes such as reclaimed wood. All main finish materials were sourced locally, including granite from Hollister, California, for the stone walls. The structure of the residence is made of concrete and steel, and the facades are finished with stone and integral plaster. Savannah Brown Dura's natural stone clads the walls and entrance connectors. The exterior shell was kept in neutral and earth tones, while the interior features touches of color through custom mosaic walls and Venetian plaster accent walls. What was initially planned as a weekend retreat became, with the onset of the pandemic, a true quarantine refuge where the family can enjoy the oceanfront pool and view, a game room, a den, a spacious kitchen, and everything else this special property has to offer. The family purchased this scenic land from the Nature Conservancy, a property that stretches from Highway 1 to Paso Creek. In addition to the high-end finishes and furnishings, and considering the home's remote location, it is expected to achieve net zero status through solar panels and Tesla power walls that generate electricity and heat water, including for the pool, powering the house when grid energy is unavailable. The energy produced on-site covers all of the residents' needs, including charging 2 electric vehicles.